Hello everyone, welcome back into this video. Do you want to talk to more people? Do you want to talk to more of your friends? Do you have a group of people you want to be meeting either over the call or to have a meeting with? In this video, I'm going to show you there's 5 free calling apps that you can use to be able to talk to them, to be able to have a video conversation, to be able to have a video call. And also this can be helping you to either hold meeting, to either have any plan together while seeing them each other about the video. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have opened my browser. You can be using these 5 tools, and also those tools can be helping you to learn the core of the meeting over the call. And also, you can be able to download them in your computer. You can be able to use them as web in your computer. You can even be able to use them also as browsers. You can be able to use them in browsers. Depends on which kind of tool you're going to be talking about. The first one is called WebEx. WebEx is one of the tools that can be helping you to be able to hold a video meeting with different people. And also, if I type WebEx in my browser, you can see they are bringing a WebEx as a platform. What you can do is you can even download it in your phone or in your computer. It depends on which one you want to be using it. When you click on the WebEx, you can see they have a lot of details. And also, if you come to pricing and plans, you can be able to understand how many people am I allowed to use for free package, and also how many people am I allowed to be able to or invite in my meeting for the paid package. How much money can you pay if you want to be joining our WebEx is paid package, and also how much money are you required. As I told you that it's free, you can see for WebEx, you can be able to hold up to 100 attendees of your meeting, and also you have 40 minutes meeting. That is also very important because as you can see, if you can have 40 minutes as a meeting session, and also you have 100 attendees, so many people who can be able to attend, and also this can be helping you to connect the meeting, to have a call with the people you want to be talking to. And also, it's going to be helping you to learn your meeting freely without any cost. So now let's also see the second one is called Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams, when you come to Microsoft Teams, it's also all about this meeting app or collaboration tool, which can be helping you to have a meeting call with your collaborators, with your workmates, with your friends, and also this as we talked about WebEx. This also can be helping you to have a video call, and also you can be able to talk to people. You can be able to chat during the meeting. These have different features as well. What you only need is to have the activated Microsoft Office, and also once you're having a Microsoft Office which is activated, you can either choose to download this Microsoft team. As you can see, once I open my browser and search for Microsoft Teams, they are bringing me different details, including how I can be able to use it, and also I can be able to download it if I need. You can see through these two you can be able to call, you can be able to collaborate, you can be able to chat with the users. You can see they are also showing you all details and all features of this. You can see this one can record, you can also raise the concern, you can react, you can view, you can adjust the screen of your computer, you can even present change the presentation, you can even present. As you can see, if I try to scroll down, this whole page is describing more about these two. And also, if you come to pricing and plans, you can see how much money can be required to pay. For instance, Microsoft Teams Essential is all about 4 USD per user monthly, which is paid annual. And also it's auto renews. Here now we can be getting 300 participants. I will be getting 6. Now we can be getting up to 300 employees. You can see the storage you're gonna getting. So now, what is very important here is that if you are having the activated Microsoft Office, and also you have license of it, you can be able to use this feature for free as part of Microsoft. You can even try this for 1 month. You can try this for 1 month without any costs. And also, as you have this Microsoft activated, you can be able to use this for free. The third one is called Skype, and also maybe you know about Skype, but also this another free calling. This is another free calling tool that can be helping you to have a meeting, to have a conversation with your friends, to have a conversation with your employees, to talk to different people. You are in the same, maybe you have something in common. You can see if I need it, I can create a free video call. I can join also with link. It all depends on what you need. And also with Skype, you can be able to join the link, invite you tutor, even if they are not on Skype. Join your session through your unique link and connect interactivity to the session. You can see these are some of the demos they are displaying here for how people can be interacting. You can use any device, either web. You can even also access your history of what you did. You can even download Skype on your phone and be able to have video call with your friends. Maybe you also your workmates, your classmates, depends on what you want. Also, if you are having an internet for WhatsApp as well, if you're using your Wi-Fi, you don't need to buy other data for calling someone. You don't need to buy another bundle for calling someone. What you can do, you can have this one. If your friends using this one and you are using this one, also it is better another additional way of communication, which is free of charge, and also you'll be using your internet only. So the fourth one is called the Google Meet. Google Meet also is another video call tool that can be helping you to be able to have this one. For instance, let's say I open this Google Meet. This is only video calls, meeting, and conferencing tool. And also, if I try to open it, you can see they are showing different features. You can be able to present. You can be able to chat with the collaborators who are on the meeting. You can even be able to invite people. You can see this is also free if you are having Google account. If you're having a Gmail account, this is for free, and you can be able to have a meeting, video call, and they also have conversation with the people, with the mates you are working together, with anyone, with your friends anymore. So the last one also I have prepared for you on the list is called Zoom. So when you have Zoom, you can be able to come and light it in your browser, either if you're using your computer. It depends on which tool you're using, and also if you're using your phone, it's okay as well. You can be able to uh, use it in your phone or download it on your phone. For instance, if you need to download it, you can be going to Play Store and type Zoom also. You can even download it on your computer. And also, let's see the pricing strategies of this Zoom. If I come to plans and the pricing, you can see how many people does it allow to use for free if you want to be holding a call for free. Let's see how many people am I allowed to allow, and also how much money am I allowed to pay if I must pay if I'm gonna using the paid subscription. However, as I'm showing you the free video call tools, also this one can be used now without going further. As you can see, meeting up to 40 minutes, team chat, whiteboard, mail calendar included with limited abilities. You can be able to have basic one user, which is a free sign up, and also you can be able to attend for 14 minutes as you will see, and also have 100 participants over your meeting session. You have Zoom whiteboards which each are free, and also the essential apps are not available because you are in a free mode, but also it is even still supportive as you can be able to use this free app and just be able to call your friends and be able to talk to your friends and be able to have a meeting with your friends and be able to have also session with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to like this video. Subscribe to the channel number no Max TV. Also, turn notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV.